Well, good morning, dear students. Welcome to the next session of our induction program in which we are getting introduction to various branches of engineering. I am Dr. M.S. Ali, your principal of your college, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Welcoming you to this session on being engineer in civil engineering. So, today's discussion will be on what is civil engineering. In Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering at Sant Gadge Baba Amravati Vidyapeeth, what are the course content of BE Civil Engineering, encompassing to total number of credits as 164 credits spread over the year of 4 years. Your first year, Group A, Group B, in first semester, second semester amounts to 50 credits, and likewise second year, third year, final year, total number of credits going to 164. So, what is being engineer as a civil engineering graduate? We will be looking at what all major courses you are going to undergo when an engineer learns civil engineering at Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. And then we'll look at what are the job opportunities available, and we will look at the achievement of this institute in placing the candidates out of 30 to 100. Total number of candidates who have passed out since last 11 years from this college are 30 to 100, out of which around 70%, that means 2200 students have been placed in campus. Rest of the students, either they have gone for PG studies or they have started their own business, or some of them have gone for management programs. So that is the other PG program people have gone for. Or some of the students are still preparing for their competitive exam, MPSC, UPSC, and then they are trying for engineering services exams. So these are the various avenues available. Now let us start our discussion with what is civil engineering. There are so many highlighted courses which you as a civil engineer undergoes over the period of 4 years. This 4-year course from 2021 onwards for you, it is based on AICTE's, All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi's AICTE's model curriculum, based on choice-based credit system. So you have many choices during your course of 4 years, wherein you can opt for some professional electives, certain free electives. You can opt for additional electives, so that if 20 credits more you are earning, means in addition to 164 credits, you earn 20 additional credits out of online courses from NPTEL. Today you must have undergone the workshop on NPTEL, so you must be aware of that there are massively open online courses available wherein you can register and you can earn the credit. So if a graduate from engineering field earns 20 extra credits as compared to 164, suppose he or she earns 184 credits, then you are entitled to get the degree as BE Honors in civil engineering with specialization in whatever specialized courses you are going to undergo. Now, let us see what is civil engineering. Civil engineering, as I said, 164 total credits. So, various highlighted subjects are, first of them, in first year you are going to learn engineering mechanics. In second year you learn strength of material, then structural design. So under that you learn various structural engineering concepts. And structural engineering involves structures, as you can see, trusses, designs, steel designs, bridges, steel design again, bridges and buildings. So that goes under the heading of structural engineering. Another important part of what is civil engineering is construction engineering. Obviously, the first idea which comes to any common man or layman's mind when we talk about civil engineering is construction. So under construction engineering, you have various activities. So under the heading of civil engineering, you learn structural engineering, you learn construction engineering as one major subject. There are so many other subjects involved into construction engineering, which involves surveying also, which involves building drawing and design, which involves estimation and costing also. So construction engineering is another part of major part of civil engineering. Under the heading of what is civil engineering, third important component is transportation engineering. Yes, transportation engineering, which involves superhighways, bridges, the point at Panchvati and Amravati, transportation engineering. Transportation means as well as transportation engineering, another important component of civil engineering. Now, under civil engineering, another important component is environmental engineering. Yes, environmental studies you must have studied right from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and even you will continue to study in deep environmental engineering, which talks about the flora and fauna of the environment around us, how to preserve them. There you must use the term recycling, reusing, reutilizing the available resources and reducing the pollution. Maybe it is noise pollution, it is water pollution, it is air pollution, or it is e-waste kind of things. So that goes under the heading of environmental engineering, another important component of civil engineering. So these are various aspects of environmental engineering, wherein as a civil engineer, environmental engineer bothers about maintaining the flora and fauna of environment. Then another component of civil engineering is hydraulic engineering, related with water power and fluid mechanics. Hydraulic engineering, which talks about hydropower, dams, water conservation, irrigation. That goes under the heading of hydraulic engineering, another important component of civil engineering. Under the heading of what is civil engineering, yes, earthquake engineering, disaster management and earthquake engineering. So what way the structure can be designed as earthquake resistant structure. So studying the mechanics involved in earthquake and then trying to design equipments as well as buildings which are earthquake resistant. So under earthquake engineering, you as a civil engineer try to design robust structures. You study, analyze what way the earthquake on the Richter scale, when it is measured, the severity of that earthquake affect the various structures, dwellings, houses, roads, bridges, and what way they should be made earthquake resistant. So that is another part of civil engineering under the heading of earthquake engineering. Under civil engineering, we have geotechnical engineering, which goes under the earth. Geotechnical engineering. So as a civil engineer, another important component is geotechnical engineering. So wherein geotechnics, soil mechanics and soil engineering, that goes as a part of geotechnical, wherein you try to learn underground structures and the characteristic of soils, rocks, everything which comes under the heading of geotechnical engineering. Then water resource engineering. Hydraulic engineering is there, but water resource engineering and public health engineering. So again, we talk about water conservation, utilization of water as the most important resources. So that goes under the heading of water resource engineering, under the heading of civil engineering. Water resource engineering, along with that we have water supply and public health engineering. Most important component of civil engineering after the construction, which is visible and useful to us. Water supply and public health engineering. So the water supply system in Amravati you can just look at, along with the public health engineering involved into as important aspect of civil engineering. Now, what are the job opportunities? We could identify as many as 9 different subjects which are important with reference to civil engineering. In addition to that, there are other ancillary subjects which you are going to learn, as many as 38 to 40 subjects you learn over the period of 4 years. In first year, there are first semester 4 subjects, second semester 4 subjects, and likewise second year, third year, final year, total number of subjects you undergo over the period of 4 years is 164 credit spread over 38 to 40 subjects. So what are the job opportunities once you come out as a civil engineer? What are the job opportunities? Recall NASSCOM's, FICCI's and NITI Aayog's results. They indicate that there are 30 lakh jobs by 2023. 3 million jobs. So those 3 million jobs under civil engineering, they mainly involve construction technologies. Construction technologies involving smart cities, IT parks, healthcare centers, educational institutes, construction and establishment of those, airports, industrial corridors, infrastructure, roads, bridges, superhighways, dams, then a newer concept, eco-friendly, environment-friendly buildings. Along with that, we talk about green technologies. How can we make the building material more environment friendly, user friendly and eco-friendly. So along with that we talk about earthquake resistant structures. So there are job opportunities because of construction technologies making inroads into these areas, and there a civil engineer find the job. Now, with reference to placement done at our College of Engineering and Management, Padnera, let us see over the period of last 4-5 years. Means first batch came out in the year 2013. So from 2013 to 2018-19, what all sample placement I am showing you, that where these engineers from our college, they have been placed and they have been working. The first one, the candidate comes is working as sectional engineer at PWD Amravati. From the civil batch 2013 is Mr. Ubaid Kabir Qureshi. He was a direct second year student admitted to BE program in second year of civil engineering after diploma, and then at the end of his 4 years he got selected through MPSC, and now he is working as sectional engineer at PWD Amravati. Another student from the same batch working as junior engineer at Pune Municipal Corporation Pune is Rajeshwari Murade from civil engineering batch 2013. Then working as junior engineer at PWD Amravati from civil engineering batch 2013 is Miss Sonali Dolas. Assistant engineer hydraulic project division at Amravati itself, working from civil engineering batch 2013 is Devendra Madankar from first batch. Junior engineer at Bombay Municipal Corporation, Bruhan Mumbai Corporation, Mumbai from civil engineering batch 2013. You see here is our Niranjan Sangam. Then working as assistant town planner at Town Planning and Valuation Department, Yavatmal, selected through MPSC from civil batch 2014, second batch, comes Mr. Saurabh Gawande. Junior engineer at Zilla Parishad Wardha from civil engineering batch 2014 is Apurva Devtare. Working as director of Precast Infrastructure Solution Nagpur, the entrepreneur and enterprising, he was the gold medalist topper from civil 2014 batch, Mr. Sumegh Patne. He was a gold medalist. He topped the university in civil engineering, working as director of Precast Infrastructure Solutions, Nagpur. Then working as planning assistant class 2, town planning and valuation department of Amravati from civil batch 2014 is Mr. Prashant Bhagat. Working as junior engineer PWD, mostly I suppose at Wardha. Civil batch 2015, now it is from 2015, is Shraddha Gaikwad. Working as deputy manager, project planning and billing, Tata Projects Limited at Gurgaon, Haryana. From civil batch 2015 is Miss Parul Nitin Kodi. She was topper at our college, then she went for NICMAR course, and then from civil 2015 batch, presently she is working as deputy manager, planning, project planning and billing, Tata Projects Limited at Gurgaon, Haryana, Parul Kodi. Comes assistant executive grade 2, PWD Khamgaon, Public Works Department Khamgaon. From civil batch 2017 is Mr. Rishikesh Deshmukh. Assistant engineer Suroj Buildcon Private Limited, Pune. From civil 2018 batch is Mr. Shubham Singade. Shubham Singade working as assistant engineer Suroj Buildcon Private Limited, Pune. Then junior engineer working at Central Railway, Mumbai. From civil batch 2018 you find is Aditya Pandey. Aditya Pandey working as junior engineer at Central Railway, Mumbai from civil batch 2018. And last but not the least, working as junior engineer at Amravati Municipal Corporation, Amravati, is Miss Neha Gorle from civil batch 2018. So these are some of the sample placements which I could recollect from 2013 to 2018 batch. So with this, your principal Dr. M.S. Ali is signing off for today. Thank you very much. Wishing you all the very best and enjoy the way it should be enjoyed. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.